that a three-phase star connected balanced load is supplied from a three-phase 400 volt RMS balanced volt source with phase sequence R by B as shown in the figure. If the wattmeter reading is minus 400 watt and the line current is IR is equal to 2 ampere RMS, then the power factor of the load per phase is. And the options are given as unity 0.5 leading, 0.866 leading, 0.707 lagging, and the figure for this problem is shown here. Now for the detailed discussion or for detailed description about this wattmeter measurement, you can refer this NPTEL lecture, that is lecture number 31, connection of energy meter, wattmeter and three phase supply, and the NPTEL course name is Electrical Measurement and Electronic Instruments by Professor Abhishek Chatterjee, Department of EE, IIT Kharagpur. And the link for YouTube channel YouTube is given here. Now before we begin to solve this problem, just have a quick recap about the wattmeter. So as all we know that a wattmeter is an instrument which is used to measure electrical power given to or developed by an electrical circuit. And this wattmeter generally consists of current coil and voltage coil. This is also named as potential coil or pressure coil. We simply write its acronym as CC or PC. Therefore, what will the wattmeter reading for electrodynamometer wattmeter, that is VPC ICC cos phi. So we can say that the power measured by an electrodynamometer wattmeter is given by the product of voltage PCC and the current ICC flowing through the load multiplied by the power factor, where this power factor cos phi is between the voltage VPC and the current ICC. VPC means this voltage measured by the potential coil or pressure coil, and ICC means the current measured by the current coil. We can see that in this formula the power factor is dimensionless quantity that represents the phase relationship between the voltage and current. Phi the angle between VPC and ICC waveforms. Now let us solve the problem. So what we are given with here, we are given with wattmeter reading that is minus 400 watt, current measurement IR ICC is 2 ampere, with the line current is given as 2 ampere, and the we can see here from the figure that ML represents this current coil and VC represents this potential coil. So potential coil measurement is V by V, that is line voltage, and we can say that it is 400 volt, as here it is given that three phase 400 volt valence source. Therefore, what will the wattmeter reading? Wattmeter reading will be VPC ICC cos phi, where phi the angle between VPC and ICC. Phi the angle there it can also be written as phi the angle between V by V and IR, because potential coil is measuring the voltage between biphase and B phase, that is the line voltage, and the current coil measuring the line current IR. On simplifying this, we can write the wattmeter reading will be V by V IR cos phi. Now for solving this problem, we have to make the phasor diagram so that we can find the angle between IR and V by V. This is the V by V. We all know that line voltage V by will be V by minus VB. That you can also write in the form of summation, that V by plus is plus minus VB. So taking the minus VB this side, and now summing up this V by and minus V minus VB, you will get line voltage V by V. Therefore here we can see that the angle between VR and V by V, line voltage V by V, is 90 degree, and also we can say that the angle between line current IR and line voltage V by V is 90 degree plus theta. Now we will simplify this equation. Wattmeter reading is equal to V by V IR cos phi, and phi the angle between the potential coil and the current coil, that is cos 90 degree plus theta. Therefore, we can see that we will get cos 90 degree plus theta is equal to minus 0.5 on and minus 0.5 will be 120 degree. Therefore, cos 120 degree. Therefore, 90 degree plus theta is equal to 120 degree, and therefore we will get theta is equal to 30 degree. Here in this question, it is asked about the power factor of the load per phase. So we have to find the this angle theta, that is the phase, the power factor of the phase voltage, power factor of the load per phase. So we can write power factor of the load per phase will be cos theta, that is the angle between phase voltage VR and this line current IR, that is cos 30. It is coming as 0.86 leading. One may think, now the question comes here is that one may think that we have assumed here IR as leading of VR. One may think that we have assumed this IR as lagging of VR. So they, you can also assume like that. You can also assume that like that this current IR is lagging this voltage VR. So in that case, you will see that this theta will come as negative. So whatever you assume, you have to take the opposite to that. Means if you have taken this current IR as lagging of VR, then you can see that theta will come as negative. That means you have to just reverse that thing, and in that case it will also come as power factor will come as leading. Power factor will come as 0.866 leading. So by both case you will get the power factor as 0.866 leading. Either you assume that IR is leading of VR, or you can assume IR as lagging of VR. So you will get the correct answer only. And from this connection, we can also say that it will measure the reactive power by single wattmeter method. So you can just simply apply the expression. Those who ever read about the reactive power measurement by the single wattmeter method, and from this connection we can also say that this will measure the reactive power. Whatever the I have solved by this simple concept of wattmeter measurement. Therefore, we can say that correct answer for this problem is 0.866 leading, that is C option.